My name is Mohamad bin Mohamad.
Hi, my name is Mohamad.
Hi, my name is Mohamad Karl Zafran bin Mohamad Khairizal.
And my name is Danish Iskandar bin Mohamad Wazir.
Hi, my name is Haris bin Abdul Hadi. Hi everyone, today I will explain about my answer for this question. So question 1, Shazwan has a 80,000 land of market value. He can sell his land now and invest it in a fund of 5% interest in compounded quarterly for 8 years. Or he can wait for 8 years and sell the land for 110,000. So for option 1, I use the compound interest formula. S equal to P bracket 1 plus rate per number of compound bracket square to number of compound times 2 number of years. So for option 1, S equal to 80,000 bracket 1 plus 5% per 4 bracket square to 4 times to 8, and S equal to 80,000 bracket 1.4324 bracket. So we can get the final answer is 140,589 and 70 cents. For option 2, the future value is 110,000. So option 1 is better because the amount is higher and give more profit. So for my final justification, the first option is the best because the final amount is bigger than the second option and it gives more profit to Shazwan. That's all from me.
For question number 2, we need to know the formula at first. So here is the formula. The formula given is S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket square N. Let's see the answer I have made. Firstly, we need to find the amount of first deposit after 11.5 years. So S equal to 1000 bracket 1 plus 0.052 per 2 bracket square 2 bracket 11.5 bracket. The answer is S equal to 1804.63. Secondly, we need to find the amount of deposit after 7 years for the second deposit. S equal to P bracket 1 plus 0.052 per 2 bracket square 2 bracket 7 bracket. So S equal P bracket 1.4324 bracket. The answer is S equal to 1.4324P. Lastly, we need to find the future value. So the future value M is RM 8,000 ringgit. So 1,804.63 plus 1.4324P equal to 8,000. So 1.4324P equal to 6195.37. P equal to 6195.37 per 1.4324. The answer is P equal to 4325.20. So the final answer for second deposit is equal to 4325.20. That's all from me.
Question 3. Malik invests RM 35,000 ringgit into an account at an interest rate of 10% compounded monthly. After 6 years, the account balance is 51,639 ringgit and 95 cents. The question A is find the interest rate percent compounded monthly. The first thing is substitute value into the formula. Second, isolate the growth factor. And next, solve for the monthly interest rate proportions, which is 0.00454 times with 12, and the answer convert to percentage, and the final answer is 6.5%. The question B is total amount if the investment was extended for another 4 years. First, apply compounded interest formula for the additional periods, and settle the algebra, and the last and the final answer is 66,926 143 ringgit And the question C, total interest earned for 10 years. Use the formula which is S minus P, and substitute the value into the formula, and the final answer is 31,926 ringgit and 43 cents. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. I get the fourth question, and the first question said find the monthly payment. First thing first, you need to using the present value formula, and we need to find R, and you calculate the algebra, and you get 802 ringgit and 48 cents. And the second question is interest charge. You need to using the formula of interest charge that say I equal to NR minus 8, and you get 29,667 ringgit and 84 cents. And third question say he decided to settle the balance of the loan. And first thing first, you need to minus the exact month and the 70 payment, and you get 38 months. And you're using the formula that given, and you get 26,045 ringgit and 59 cents. And the last question say find the amount he has to pay on the 7 payment in order to settle the outstanding areas. You need to turn S to 7, and then you need to replace the roots into 7, and you calculate the algebra, and then you get 5,759 ringgit and 76 cents. Thank you.
Hi, I will answer question 5. As construction buys a machine costing 500,000 ringgit, the company pays a 15 down payment and the balance will be repaid through quarterly payments of 20,000 ringgit. Starting 3 months after purchase, the financing carries an interest rate of 9% compound quarterly. Find how many years are required for the loan to be fully settled. First, we calculate the down payment. We take 15% of 500,000 ringgit, which give a down payment of 75,000 ringgit. Next, we find the principal value of the loan. So, 500,000 ringgit minus 75,000 ringgit equals 425,000 ringgit. The interest rate is 9% per year, and it is compounded quarterly. So, we divide 0.09 by 4, and the quarterly interest rate becomes 0.0225. Then, we substitute the values into the loan repayment formula. 425,000 ringgit equals 20,000 multiplied by 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.0225 to the power of negative 40, all divided by 0.0225. After simplifying the equation, we get 0.478125 equal 1 minus 1.0225 raised to the power of negative 40. We rearrange it again to isolate the exponent and get 0.521875 equal 1.0225 raised to the power of negative 40. Taking natural log on both sides give in 0.521875 equal in 1.0225 raised to the power of negative 40. When we solve this, we obtain 0.65033 per 0.02225 equal negative 40. So 29.93 equal negative 40. Finally, T equal 29.23 divided by 4, and the time required to settle the loan is 7.31 years. So, the borrower needs approximately 7.31 years to finish paying the loan. That's all for me. Thank you.